What's up everybody and welcome to the channel. In today's video we're checking out the 2026 Toyota 4Runner. This is a TRD Off Road Premium iForce Max engine, finished in the black paint, and we're looking at a $62,000 MSRP. It's going to be a point of view ASMR style video. Full review is linked in the description below. So real quick, we're going to take a look at the last fit all-weather floor mats that are available for the 2026 Toyota 4Runner. These are going to fit the 6th gen 4Runners. As you can tell, they have a nice durable rubber material. They're laser measured to fit perfectly on the interior of your car. And then there's large channels throughout them to capture all the water and dirt that's going to be in them. The front ones are going to even lock into place into your factory clips. That way they're going to be nice and secure. There's texture on the underside as well to further the grip. And then they do a really good job covering all the edges of the carpeting, going over the door sill up to the seat brackets to really make sure you're covering the carpet underneath to keep your interior nice and clean. For the back, we have these nice back covers for the middle seats to do a great job when you have this as your utility vehicle and you're putting stuff on the backs with them folded down. It's going to keep them nice and clean, as well as the large floor piece for the middle row. That's going to do a great job covering all the carpet versus the factory carpeting that doesn't really cover much. So take a look at the links down below to get some last fit all-weather floor mats for your Toyota 4Runner as well as other vehicles.